Hi there, once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Absolutely Jane Travels. I'm at Kazuri Women Project. Kazuri is where they make beads for necklaces, for earrings, for keyrings, bracelets, and I am going to take you through the process of making these beads and how they get to the finished product. I will also take you to the gift shop and then you can see the finished product. These women here, it's a project actually to support women and to improve their standards of living here in Kenya. So how they benefit, they get a salary every end of the month. Their families are medically insured, so there's medical cover for them, the ladies, and their loved ones. So it's a very big benefit here in Kenya because insurance is a main thing. Medical insurance is unaffordable here and not everybody is insured. So it's something that is actually a very nice thing that when you fall sick or when your children get sick, that they have a medical cover, because medical is very, very expensive here in Kenya. So this project was started, and I'm going to take you through the history of how this project started. And so if you're new to my YouTube channel, karibu sana, herzlich willkommen. And if you've been following me, please continue doing so. And I will take you through this Kazuri. It's all about travel. It's about destination. It's about good sights. It's about anything that is interesting that I think you can enjoy, as a traveler. So all the best and take care and have a wonderful time. Thank you so much.
I'm Philip, so please welcome to Kazuri. Kazuri meaning something small and beautiful. That's the meaning of Kazuri. So Kazuri was started by English lady called Susan Wood in 1975. So she started with 2 single mothers. Her idea was just to create work for the single mothers. Now it has grown from 2, now they are 340. But because of COVID, we are 72 in number. So they are coming from different areas here in Nairobi. Then they are being provided with medical care for their children, immediately families, and end of the month they get the salaries. So most of the beads, we make them here, we send them all over the world. Where are you from?
I'm coming, I live in Hamburg, Germany.
Yeah, so we have an agent in Scandinavia, Norway, Denmark, Netherlands, Italy, and Germany.
Okay.
Might be you have seen Kazuri beads, but you did not know. But
they're
today,
coming.
henceforth, you'll see them in Germany, you'll see this is Kazuri beads.
Okay.
So I want us to start right from the scratch.
Yes.
Then you'll be taking pictures wherever you want.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You are welcome. The clay which we are using to make the beautiful beads is just local clay from around Mount Kenya, ceramic clay. So we mix the clay up there. So please, can we walk slowly? We see how we are mixing the clay.
Okay.
So please follow me this way.
Okay.
Follow meaning
Slowly.
Yeah.
In Germany, we say langsam.
Langsam.
Yeah.
So langsam.
Pole.
Okay. So
see, this is where you mix the clay.
So we mix the clay up here.
Yeah.
With the water and the talc.
Yeah.
Then after mixing the clay with the water and talc, we have to sieve it to remove the impurities inside the clay. Then from there the clay drips down here. So this is just sieved clay.
Okay.
Of which we are just going to squeeze the excess water out of the clay so that you can work with the clay. Yeah, so that you can mold something out of that clay.
Okay.
Yes. So we have to pump the clay from here to the blue tank, the other side. Pole, we are going to see down.
Yeah.
Down this way. So we have sieve clay in this. Then we have the machine over there. If you push it, the clay through the pipe, it comes with a lot of pores. The water can pass through the cloth. That's why you can see the water is just dripping down.
Yes.
So the clay is in between.
In between.
The clay is in slabs.
Oh.
So it takes about 8 hours squeezing. After 8 hours, we just come here. just come here, we just open it out. And then we get our slabs of very soft clay here.
Okay.
Thickness of 1 inch.
1 inch.
Yeah, then it's very soft clay whereby you can mold.
It should not be more than 1 inch.
Yeah, it's 1 inch.
Okay, must be 1 inch.
All of them, they are 1 inch.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Then after we remove our slabs of soft clay, we have to bring the clay here. Machine, we bring down here our slabs of soft clay, and then we cut them in small pieces. We put them inside here, then we squeeze it down. It comes down as a very smooth sausage of clay. So the work of this machine is just to remove the air bubbles inside the clay before we start working with the clay.
Okay.
Sawa sawa?
Yes, understood. You
Yeah.
remove the air bubbles
Yes.
so that you can be able to work with the clay.
Yeah.
Good.
Otherwise, if you make something with air, it will burst.
The beads will be having bubbles.
Yeah. Then it will burst.
Oh, it's going to burst.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
So-
the beads now, of course, you cannot use the beads anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So now we're just going pole to
Yeah.
see how we are making the beads inside
Oh, okay.
the factory.
Oh, okay. Hello, how are you?
Wasalimia na Kiswahili.
Oh, habari zenu?
So now this is the soft clay which we are using to make the beads. You can touch.
This is the soft.
So now
clay.
after we bring our soft clay in,
Yeah.
they have the mold to size the clay because we want the beads to be the same size.
Yes.
Then after sizing, now they start molding the beads. Just to see. Let's see.
Okay. Oh, it's real clay. It's
Real
like
art.
it's clay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, this is the way it's done. So she's putting holes now, of course, to make a necklace or something like that. How long does the clay stay until it dries?
It depends on the weather.
Yeah.
So we have to put them inside the folding bags.
Yeah.
Dry quickly.
Okay.
Then after we make them like these ones, we're just going to sun dry them.
Okay.
3 to 4 hours.
Yeah.
Then we put them inside the kiln and bake them.
Okay.
Then after we bake them, the color of the clay will change from this color to this one. Nice.
These are already baked.
This is already baked. Like that.
Oh, this is baked clay now.
Yeah.
And how come it looks like wood?
Because
I'm
of
a-
the talc we mix the clay with. The work of the talc is just to give the clay the color.
Okay.
Then from then on they start changing.
Okay. So,
Please can you just walk around? Shapes of beads.
so they're doing the same things anyway.
It depends upon the holders.
No, what I'm saying is,
Yeah.
this is where they're doing
Yeah.
different, of course, different shapes.
Shape of beads, yes.
But they're doing the same thing,
yeah.
like the first lady
Yeah,
there.
the first lady there.
Okay.
So the ladies are specialized in making.
In making,
different
yes.
shapes of beads.
Okay. Oh, that's good. That's
Then there are some of the beads we can make just using hands, almost like this one. They have to use the mold to
animal designs.
yeah. How we normally use the
Hebu nionyeshe vile mnatengeneza. But this is a complete now. This is completely made. Or
These are different shapes of beads.
yeah. But now, yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Because today, the person who is making it, you can be told today you are going to make this one.
Yes.
Or tomorrow you will make this one.
A different one.
A different one. So they are specialized in making different shapes of beads. You see?
Okay.
So that's it is going to be a pendant of necklace.
Okay. That's the way it is made.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's good. Thank you, Asante. Habari zenu?
So now here we are painting the beads. We say first firing of the beads, they look like these ones.
After being roasted, yes.
Yeah. Then now we are painting them here. So we are using ceramic paints.
Okay.
So the painters here, they are given a list like this one, just to show them the number of the beads, the different colors they're going to use it, and the patterns. Because they paint them according to local orders or overseas orders, we get it.
And you said in the beginning, this project is to empower women.
Yes, to empower women.
To empower women,
Yeah.
also to benefit
Yes.
from this making of beads.
Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
And these are now the...
Then after we paint them, we have to bake them. Then after we bake them, the paint, it has glass inside. It will melt, then they will come out shining.
So you're going to paint them different colors.
Yeah, we paint them.
And then you bake them.
Then we bake them. Then
And so they come out. There's a product.
Yeah,
This is a product.
That's the product.
That's nice.
So we paint them, we hang them there to dry. Then we take them back to the oven for second fire.
Okay. Asante. This is a complete one, yes? Wow, different colors. That one is making blue. So the process is generally the same. That is what they are doing here in this room.
Oh, this room, they are just painting, then they are doing the other side.
Okay. Okay. This guys is to empower women here in Kenya. Then they have an activity to do and they have an earning. They can earn something for their families and they're active and busy doing something.
1,000 degrees Celsius. We cover them for
1,000.
8 hours, 1,060 degrees Celsius.
I understand now.
You understand?
Yes.
Then from there, the paints, it will melt, then they will come out shining.
Okay.
So it's electric.
For
kiln.
8 good hours.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. So it's electric. kiln.
Okay.
Then in the morning, we upload the beads.
Yes. And then they can be now
They can now be sorted down.
sorted out. Yeah. Okay. So you make different sizes because I can see you
Yeah, according
with
to
measurements.
according to the customer.
Okay. What sizes you can make even for children? That's what.
Ile ya watoto ni size gani?
18 inches.
18 inches, 16 inches.
Okay. This is a workshop for painting and putting them together.
Yeah.
This is the roasted, the already complete roasted, and now they're being. Oh, okay.
This way.
About it then?
We also make keyrings, yeah, but they are not finished up. We have not put
These are
the
earrings,
ring. Keyrings.
Oh.
The earrings are these small ones.
Oh, the small ones. Okay.
Earrings are these small ones.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, they're not complete, these ones.
These ones we have to put the ring. Yeah.
Okay.
So So from here we take to the customer where is the customer is, or we take them some to the gift shop.
So, okay.
And we also sell loose beads in case customer wants loose beads.
You also sell loose ones?
We also sell loose beads.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, that's nice.
Any questions?
Any questions? No, I've seen the process.
Yeah.
Now we go and see the finished product.
The finished product.
At the gift shop. You said 160 Celsius.
Yeah.
That is the
fire.
oven.
The firing.
This is the gift shop.
Now, so this is, so please welcome.
Thank you, thank you. Let me just... Okay.
So please welcome back to the
Thank
gift shop. Now
thank you,
we have
thank
to see.
Yes.
So here
Yes.
we have the prices are written in shillings. You can use credit cards, American dollars, Visa card. And here we arrange them according to the length of each necklaces.
Okay.
There are some 22 inch, 18 inch, 16 inch, according
To the sizes.
yeah.
And according to the colors, that is what I've
Yeah,
noticed.
according to the different colors.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's behind you?
Here we have the earrings to match our necklaces.
Just a
So
minute.
here we are putting them according to the different colors.
Just a minute, I can't see because of the...
We have the bracelets also to match our necklaces. So we are just using memory wires,
Okay.
elastic wires.
Elastic wires.
Yeah.
So anyone can wear them
Anyone can fit.
because it's
Yeah.
one size. One
Yeah.
size. Okay.
Bracelets.
Let me come. This is my color here. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
Good colors.
And then we have the earrings. Yeah.
The ones the one they're making there.
Yeah, the ones they are making there.
Key rings. Oh, this is nice.
When you're looking through all the beads, just do, you know, what ones to choose, that's for sure.
Okay.
We have clip earrings. Clip earrings.
So if you have not,
These ones, they have no hook.
they have no hook here. They just clip them on your ears.
Yeah.